Hey guys, Mr. Mushroom here. Welcome to episode 1 of RAFT. I've been waiting to play this game for a while. Been wanting to record it and upload it for a while, so I figured, why not? I hope you all enjoy. I hope you all have as much fun as I did while playing this. And yeah, stick around. Hopefully you'll stay here for part 2 and further on. I hope you enjoy the video. Later.
Box too. Looks
Oh,
like.
those are really good. Oh, there's another one out there too. Whatever.
We'll go to that
Toilet
other
supplies
one.
in them. Start heading to that other one. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Okay. Oh, barrels coming up too.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, we are cleaning up the fucking oceans.
For real.
Oh, I could probably research this. Yep. Okay. Oh, our bricks are dry. I can research one.
And another decoration package.
What else do I need to research to get this? Where is it? I'll be right back.
Okay.
This dude wants to show me something. Also, we're heading toward an island, so you don't have to readjust us. And then if you want, if I'm not back by the time we're there, which I probably will be, but you can throw the anchor. I'm back.
This took forever.
I know.
Shark came and broke our grill.
Are you kidding?
I,
You're joking.
I built more. No, I had to rebuild.
Oh,
I
you made a
rebuilt.
new grill. I'm gonna fish some more.
I've made some more platforms.
I see. Sorry it took so long. Clayton wanted me to come in his room. He put up some more albums, some vinyl-like things, and then I wanted to put up mine, my bleach one. So I had him help me with that.
Oh, my shit just broke.
Net. We'll put it right here. And put a new platform there. There we go.
We need more storage.
Yeah. We do. But you know what we don't have? Plastic! Fucking Seagull got potatoes.
I know.
Oh, I'm starving, and I haven't even realized it. I could just eat something that's in here, I'm sure. Yeah, raw potato. Shit.
Oh damn, it's 8 plastic for fucking. How the fuck do we only get 1 plastic from that jug?
Real. Are these big ass fucking.
Yeah.
No!
He's got fucking.
No! No! Oh! I was out of stamina.
Oh shit. Have you watched Kiriko's Basketball?
Huh?
Like the anime?
No.
Kiriko's Basketball? Dude, you should watch it.
I don't like sports animes.
This one's good. I don't like them either. This one.
Yeah, I'm sure it's good. I can't bring myself to watch it. Plus, I'm watching Bleach right now, which is peak.
Solo leveling it might be my number one.
That's fair. Can't really hate on that. Alright, put all the resources in this box from here on out. Well, actually, I won't be able to put all of them in there. We can put this shit in there, like the basic resources. Like scrap, palm leaves, planks, and plastic. The fuck? What just happened to me? I just like took flight. Oh, big crate. Please have a shit ton of plastic. It had a good amount of plastic. Fucking seagull.
Dude, he's a seagull. Fuck, bro, we need more raft. No, don't break down.
Should we move that more toward the middle since we have more space now?
Yeah.
Do. Yeah, okay.
Oh, I don't think it really.
There we go. I want to move all this shit toward the middle.
Give us some more.
Damn. Fucking get out of here, seagull. Bitch.
We slowly getting bigger.
Okay, put resources in that one. I like that as a resource box more. Put food in here, because it's right next to the grill. Oh, island trade ahead. I fucking sniped that shit. Holy hell. Look at that. Oh, a ton of planks. Okay, we're starting to get better. We have a fuck ton of palms. Still not a lot of plastic. Not a lot of scrap. That's okay.
Oh, I have 19 scrap on me.
Oh, okay.
Dude, how do you keep getting launched off?
I don't know. I figured something out though. Figured out a strat.
What?
As soon as you grab it, you can hop in the water and you don't have to reel. So like if I did this, and then I go in the water, it gives it to me immediately.
Uh-huh.
That's cool, I guess.
What? That is kind of crazy.
Making another storage for supplies. It's gonna go right here. Fucking seagull, get out of here, bitch! Fuck. Oh, wait. Island. Do you have the paddle?
Yeah, I made a new one.
Okay, huge. Looks like there's a lot of plants on this island. Do you have an axe?
Yeah.
Okay, you'll probably have to come on here, because mine's about to break.
Oh, no, well, yeah.
I heard her. I heard her headbutt your mic.
No, she
Sounded like she
fucking
headbutted
jumped
something.
down. She jumped on it. I think she, her ran. Where she landed.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Paddle us back, because you need to get that palm tree.
What palm tree?
In the middle. Or not the palm tree, the mango tree.
Oh.
Fucking seagull! Get the fuck out of here. One day I will exterminate their kind. Alright, we've got a pretty sizable raft now.
Mango.
Mango, mango, mango. Mango, mango, mango. I just ate a raw fish. Fuck.
You goofy.
I did not mean to do that. Okay, wait. We need to chill at this island for a minute if possible. Because I need to try and see if there's a thing on the other side I can go into and farm. If there is, yeah, there is. Okay. Just chill on that side and make sure we don't drift away.
Yeah, I swear to God, I'm always eating.
Yeah. Your hunger and shit goes down fast as fuck in this game. The sound of the waves just stop. I don't like that. Oh, big loot. Big loot. Holy shit.
Looks like you're just fucking hungry. Always hungry.
Hungry, hungry, hungry.
I don't know how they're always so fucking hungry.
For real. Like, we ain't even doing that much. We're stuck on a damn raft.
For real, like, this is the opposite of rationing.
Yeah. Fuck it. Oh, I need a little snack.
For real.
There's an island ahead of us. I'm about to make an investment with our resources.
What?
You will see. It's a good investment, trust. Okay, I made a big investment.
Oh. At least archery.
I do not see the paddle.
I dropped it. You didn't grab it in time.
What? There's no way it fell off the boat. The boxes stay on the boat. Motherfucker, get the hell off of our ship! Fuck, we need to stop here. Find out a way to get away from the damn shark. How else do we get this? Chest. Holy hell. Are we still at the island?
Let me come back in. Yeah.
I'm not going back in. No. Fucking seagulls been eating our shit.
Damn it.
Oh, I found the paddle.
Oh.
Got a recipe for a smoothie. Ow. Sharks hurt. Fucking seagull took off the potato. Motherfucker.
My God. God.
Damn you! You damn seagulls! Hey, I'm making some. Boom.
Oh, good.
Boom, boom. And then,
Are we going trees?
no, we need a bigger plot for that. But, what we can grow is
Watermelon?
watermelons, which will help with our water big time.
Yeah, for real. Oh, did you grab my potato? I'm starving to death, bro.
There's food in here. There's food in here.
Motherfucker.
My bad.
Fuck it.
I didn't know.
Dude.
I didn't know. It wasn't on purpose, I swear.
That's what someone who did it on purpose would say.
No. So someone who didn't do it on purpose would say. Because I didn't do it on purpose.
That's what something who did it on purpose would say.
These bricks need to hurry up and fucking dry.
Dude, they still aren't fucking dry. What the fuck was I doing?
I heard that too. It's about to start storming.
Uh-oh. It does look like it.
Might be see thieves.
Sure, it'll be.
Hey, 2 of them are dry. That's what we needed.
Have you had the Indian place in our town?
No, I have not.
Dude, you gotta try it. It's actually gas as fuck.
I mean, what even classifies as Indian food? I've never.
Like, buttered chicken, chicken masala.
Makes sense why you love it.
No, there's a lot of other things. That's just what I get. I don't even know what all there is.
Look what we got.
But, like, there's a whole, like, sauce that comes with it. And,
Huh.
like, bread. Like, eat it all together.
Get off my damn boat. He's gonna be dead soon. This dude looks like he's going through it.
Yeah, it probably is.
There's a big ass island where I left over. Right. This and go for Go.
I can't sprint.
Fly it.
No!
Oh,
If I could sprint.
damn it.
You're able. We could keep our nets in the middle and just keep expanding off.
Yeah. This is a big ass island. There's probably one of them birds on this. Or a boar. Or both. Oh, we got our melons.
But so many.
Alright, well that's where this video is going to end today. Sorry.
Do you get melon seeds whenever?
I got a lot of gameplay to give you all, so if you would like more episodes, let me know. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching.